Hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? I hope you're good. Today let's quickly peel beans with hands and with blender. Which do you prefer? Here is the beans I'll be using. I'll be using the white beans. You can use any species of beans for this and it works just the same. So before now, I've picked the beans and removed any stone, sharp or debris in it so it's cleaned. And I'll add in water. And once I add in water, I will allow it sit for 30 seconds before I will start squeezing it in between my fingers, just like you're seeing. The mistake that many people make while washing beans is that they soak it for a long time before trying to peel off the back. And that way, most of the back is already stuck to the beans and it's difficult at that point. But when you soak for 30 seconds and start washing, squeezing and peeling off the back like you're seeing me do, it comes off so easily. Now we'll do this for between 3 to 5 minutes depending on how fast you are. I've done this for most of my life, so it doesn't take me any time. And I'm going to drain this in a sieve. We're going to drain out the water and we'll add in another water and start the same process. And I'll pick some of the beans that fell with the shaft. And we are going to keep repeating this process till we peel off all the back completely from the beans. And here, this is what it looks like after about 4 washing. I'm going to pick off any shaft still remaining. And here, our peeled off beans is ready. You can use this for moi moi, you can use this for akara, for gbegiri. This is what makes some of us lazy whenever you want to make your own homemade moi moi or akara or gbegiri. But there is nothing to this. You can also do this in minutes. And another version I'll be showing you, which many people prefer to be the quicker and easier way, is to peel off the back of the beans with the blender. Now I'll add in little batches per time and top it with water, and we're going to use the pause option. We're going to pause and stop, and with time you'll see that the back is already peeling off or completely peeled off. And then you'll transfer it into a larger bowl and add in water and repeat the same process like we did earlier on. Which one is your preference of washing with your hands or washing with the blender? Let me know in the comment section. Look at the beans, is well washed just like the other one. Please subscribe, like and share my videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.